Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel One S 2021. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, make sure to download this app. Then, tap Open and tap Plus. Here we've got some options. For example, we can change mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Tap sound from audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
Then name it and give it description. After all, save. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.